Hello students, today we will learn backward counting from 100 to 1. Before start writing, let me explain how to write backward counting. Here is example of steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In backward counting, we will go bigger to smaller number. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is called backward counting or reverse counting. Now we will start. Write down. Here write today's date. Then start with me. Biggest number means 1, 0, 0, 100. Then we will write hundreds before number. 9, 9, 99. 9, 8, 98. 9, 7, 97, then 9, 6, 96, 9, 5, 95. Which number comes before 95? 9, 4. Then 9, 3, 93, 9, 2, 92, 9, 1, 91. You have to notice that each number will be written to touch the bottom of the box. Now we will write down 90, 90. Then 89, 89. 88, 88. 87, 87. 86, 86, 85, 85. Now which number comes before 85? Yes, 84, 84. 83, 83. 82, 82. 81, 81. Which number comes here? Yes, 81, 81. Which number comes before 81, 81? So we will write here 80, 80. 7, 9, 79. 7, 8, 78. 7, 7, 77. 7, 6, 76. 7, 5, 75. Which number comes before 75? 7, 4, 74. Then we will write 7, 3, 73. 7, 2, 72. 7, 1, 71. Then write down 7, 0, 70. Which number comes before 70, 70? Yes. 6, 9, 69. 6, 8, 68. Then 6, 7, 67. 6, 6, 66. 6, 5, 65. 6, 4, 64. 6, 3, 63, 6, 2, 62, and 6, 1, 61. Which number comes before 61? Yes, 60, 60. Then we will write here 60, 60. Next 5, 9, 59. 5, 8, 58. 5, 7, 57. 5 6 56, 5 5 55, 5 4 54. Which number comes before 54? Yes. 5 3 53, 5 2 52, and 5 1 51. Then write here 51's before number. Which number comes before 5 1 51? Yes. 5 0 50. Then which number comes before 50? 4 9 49. Then 4 8 48, 4 7 47, 4 6 46, 4 5 45, 4 4 44, 4 3 43. Which number comes before 43? 4 2 42. Then 4 1 41. Here is write down 4 0 40. Then 3 9 39, 3 8 38, 3 7 37, 3 6 36, 3 5 35, 3 4 34, 3 3 33, 3 2 32, and then 3 1 31. Which number comes before 3 1 31? Yes, 3 0 30. Then 2 9 29, 2 8 28, 2 7 27, 2 6 26, 2 5 25, 2 4 24, 2 3 23, 2 2 22, 2 1 21. Then write here 2 0 20. Then which number comes before 2 0 20? Yes, 1 9 19, 1 8 18, 1 7 17, 1 6 16, 1 5 15, 1 4 14, 1 3 13, 1 2 12, and 1 1 11. Which number comes before 1 1 11? Yes, 1 0 10. Then 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2, and last one is 1. This video will help you to write properly. Thank you.